Here's all you have to do. Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Once I understood that philosophy, it totally changed my life. The one I was missing, the opposite of fiction, that's fact. Always forgiven, I don't care about opinion.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out, put some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind, can you get the heck out, I need rest now, got me bummed out, you, baby, 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 I've been on my empty mindset, I should've kept from choosing the best of me, I worry that I wasted the best of me, oh yeah, baby, you don't care, not gonna make a nuisance, it's just urgent, trying to make some similar change, got me a war in my mind, let it go away, can't keep what's holding me, choose the right, but it will break up in front of me, all the while, I wait my arm, feeling a smile, still wanna try, still believe in good days.
So y'all saw I like start my day off with a nice shower, like cleanse my face really good, brush my teeth, make my bed because it's a must for me. I love starting my day with a daily read as well. This book has been very inspiring, very inspirational during the day, you know, just as you move forward. And it's just daily prompts and there's simple things to remember in life that we need to know. Then I move on to my workouts. I get my day started. I've been working out, trying to get back consistent. So this is me just trying to stay consistent as much as I can. Get back to doing at least 3 to 4 times a week. Get right, get toned, child. Okay, y'all see my legs about to give up right here. Don't judge me. Judge the man. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. So after I work out, I like to make my little smoothie. This is my first time trying that soursop tea. It was okay, very sour like it says in the tea, but y'all just continue to watch and stay to the end. What's up? We getting into it. What's up, y'all? You already know it's your girl Sambre'ell and I am back with another little bitty video. So as you're about to talk about the title, today is gonna be like a little day in my life or a couple days in my life, depending on how long we'll stretch this vlog out or if I have anything else to do. I'm gonna get content in for y'all. So if you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. All you have to do is subscribe to be part of the Soul Tribe. I call my subscribers the Soul Tribe because once you click that subscribe button and you vibe, you feel the vibe, you like the personality, you like what you see. You know, we locked in like this because we all about vibes over here. We all about good vibes over here, okay? So, y'all saw me shower. I worked out this morning. I'm so happy about that because I really been getting back on track and I'm super like, I'm happy. Like, it's the small improvements that make the progress. So I'm really getting back on track. I made my little smoothie or my little drink or whatnot. And yeah, so I actually have to study, but I want to talk to you guys first. You know, y'all are my family. I gotta talk to y'all first. Y'all Soul Tribe for a reason. So lately it's been a lot going on. I know y'all heard about CERN. So if you know, you know. And it's a must for us to keep our vibrations high. You know what I'm saying? So I've really been like water fasting lately and eating a lot of fruits and veggies. I woke up this morning around like 8:07 and it's been really weird because I've been having a lot of sleep this night and usually that's not the case. But I woke up around 8:07. It's currently 3:15. So this is like a little typical day. I want to get some things done that I need to get done. I also filmed some TikToks and I posted on my Instagram reels, so y'all go check that out. Some of the stuff that y'all didn't see and when I'm getting ready in the morning, it's kind of a new morning routine for me. Once this fully implement it and I'm consistent with it, I know I can just do it. Then I'll show you guys the full routine. But I've been listening to vibrational music when I wake up in the morning, affirmations in the morning, meditating, because like in the morning times, that's my time. Before I give anything, before I share anything, look at anybody else's page or anything like that, or just be able to give myself to the world, not give myself to the world, but like before I cater to the world, I gotta cater to me first. Basically what I'm saying. So that is a big step for me. I've been seeing improvement, so I'm very happy. I'm very calm. I can, you know, I can move throughout the day better. So y'all should try that. Y'all should try that, cause baby, you gotta have peace within. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm about to study real quick and then run to the hair stuff with my aunt because she wants some bangs. So I'm just go get it and then come back home, try to study real quick and do what I got to do. So yeah.
Blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man. That's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Ed and Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit can get petty. Bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. This what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was.
Good morning, y'all. It's currently the next day after y'all finished studying. I took a little nap and I didn't really have anything else to do for the day, so I just chilled and I ended up forgetting to record. So but today we're back on our grind. We need more content for y'all, whatever I got. And yeah, I don't really have anything planned today, nothing in specific, so we're gonna go with the flow. I just woke up not so long ago. I listened to my little morning mantras. I meditated, so I'm about to shower and work out again. I filmed that yesterday, so I probably won't put it in like this clip. So if you were already subscribed and a returning subscriber, did you see something different in the beginning of this video? Did you? I got a new intro and outro. So I'm so excited about that. Made by yours truly. I was supposed to do a whole rebranding, but I'm finished now. I really love how it turned out, and I hope you guys like this new intro. Comment down below if you like this new intro and outro, okay? Because I put a lot of work and effort into that intro for it to turn out the way it did, as it should, because I'm that girl. Okay, y'all, so I washed, I showered, I ate a little breakfast, and I just changed to something else comfortable. But like anytime I'm just in the house chilling or whatever, like I love comfortable clothes. Like I just love wearing comfortable clothes. And if you watch my other maintenance and prep and pack me video, you know I got these shorts from Amazon, and it's a 2-piece, so I don't have it on top right now. It's still in like this little cotton t-shirt, some size, and white socks. I love white socks. They just give me such a clean, like feeling. Like I just love white socks. But anyway, y'all, honestly don't know what's next, y'all. I just don't know what's next. Whatever I gotta do, this is what I'm gonna do. Like, mom's not here right now. I'm gonna try to go out later and get my eyebrows done because next weekend I'm going to a little event. Get my eyebrows done. I might get my nails done again. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for all that. Okay, y'all, so I don't know, it is currently 3:33. Okay. It's currently 3:33. I'm about to study for a little bit. I made me some chlorophyll water. It's been a while since I made, it's been a while since I put chlorophyll in my water. Usually I don't drink this brand of water. I've been trying to get like the crystal clear spring water. I was hungry, and y'all know, like, I'm supposed to be eating fruits and veggies and watering, fasting, and all that good stuff, but it ain't nothing in this house. Ain't a lick, nothing in this house. I promise you. I ate the last piece of watermelon and avocado yesterday, and this morning I had like a small apple, and that's the only thing I had till now. And I didn't even want to really eat most because it's not really like kind of like in my alkaline diet type thing, so I'm hungry. Ain't nothing in here. I could just go ahead and finish like drink water because I was planning on doing anyway, But I worked out, and now I'm finna eat and study. I'm gonna show you what I got. So I just got a salad from Moe's Southwest Grill, and I got the romaine lettuce, tofu. How do y'all, if I can kind of see, what's that? The piccolo? No, piccolo's from Dragon Ball Z GT. I don't know what it's called. Y'all, tell me what's the name of this thing in the comments. But yeah, and grilled peppers. So it's okay. But my aunt came and she brought some more watermelon. And I'm supposed to have avocado on top of here, like guacamole. They didn't put it on here. Me being consistent with what I'm doing is really paying off. It just takes consistency, and consistency is hard sometimes. It's a tofu, y'all. And y'all can kind of see. I'm sorry, y'all. The lighting is bad. I don't know if I can hear TV or not, baby. I do. Hold on, let me turn it down. My boyfriend DoorDashed me this. Here we go. My wisdom tooth on my right side is coming in. And this mother got hurt. You hear me? At first, I thought it was like, you know how like you eat Captain Crunch and at the roof of your mouth be kind of like scratch up in your gums. That's what I thought it was. But I tried to look. I was like, that's a whole tooth coming in back there. If y'all know anything like that'll help the pain a little bit, my mom was telling me Orgel, so I'm gonna try that. But if I have any more suggestions, you know, drop them comments down below. In a year, I'm speaking 1K into existence. I'm speaking it because I'm so close to 300 subscribers right now, y'all. And that's major. Like, that's major. Celebrate at least 300. I want to celebrate the small milestones because they count as well, not just the major ones. It's the small milestones that get you to the major milestones. So, yeah. Stay tuned for that. Thinking about, well, including like yoga in my like wind down time, was getting ready for bed. Y'all be in bed early. I'll be in bed like 9:30, 10 o'clock and be asleep. But lately I've been going to sleep like 12 and still waking up around 8 o'clock. But yeah, I like go to sleep early and wake up early. I'm an early bird. I feel like you wake up early, like you get a head start of the day. Like, yeah, I like to get everything done in the morning time. Be on as much as possible in that time so I can have the rest of the day to get what I need done. Get the important stuff out of the way first. You know what I'm saying? Then go do what you want to go playtime. Do what you do. But get what you need to done. Do what you need to get done first. And that's the morning times for me. Evening, afternoon, I'm not gonna feel like it. I am a morning person to be. Y'all comment down below y'all favorite YouTubers. I'm gonna go first. Lily, even though she doesn't do YouTube anymore, she's still my favorite YouTuber. Let's see, I like Double C, I like Sambre'ell Rain, Peyton Charles, Gina Janine, who else? Dale Doll. I like to watch Dan Lifer Scribber vlogs. I don't know why, but I just do. Cause they be getting to that bag and they be making me think maybe quick letter I. Mississippi Pride. I'm running my mouth. I need to be studying.
Later that same evening.
Hey you guys, update on the video.
You are not me, okay? But anyway, y'all, yeah, update on the video.
I gotta put the other clips in.
So we just came back because you wanted something to eat, and I got some mangoes and stuff. And we finna watch a scary movie. I don't know which movie. Oh no, we watching Bones because that movie had scarred me from when I was a child, and I ain't never watched it again after that. So I was like, bump it. I'm gonna face my fears. I'm gonna watch it. So I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna take it like a G, something G. Ain't that right, babe?
So what?
Whatever. He a hater. Y'all, so far this movie not even scary. I don't know why. Before I was really interrupted by my phone dying on me, I was saying that the movie was not even scary. It was actually funny in some ways, and it's a really good movie. I would watch it again by myself. And the movie's called Bones. It got Snoop Dogg in it. Go watch it. The only part that kind of was just like the maggots. I ain't gonna spill too much because y'all got to go watch it. It's old. It's on Tubi. Go watch it. But I'm about to do my DIY calendar. If you're new here, I don't think you have seen it, but I do these my DIY calendar every month. I write my goals down, goals of the month and the week. I put my daily quotes on everything just to keep everything together. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna close out this vlog. Okay, so the calendar is done. Surprisingly, last month I didn't even do my calendar. I forgot. And today is obviously the 13th, and I'm just not doing my calendar, which is never too late to do anything that you want to do in life. I have my daily reminder, trust yourself with the flow, my quote, our greatest glory is not and never falling but rising every time we fall. Days of the week, I'm gonna go in and add a few things there, I think. And just the goals of the month, end of the week, which I am uploading today, and I'm starting a new vlog today. So if you see me with the same shirt on in the next vlog, just know that I ended this vlog and then I started a new one. But I want to thank you guys so much for staying to the end and watching, and just for all your support. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. And I haven't said my motto in a while. I have forgot. Anybody remind me? Y'all wrong for that. Y'all should remind me. Say the quote, say the quote. But if you're new here, you're gonna learn it. And if you're old, let's keep saying it. But the quote is, without change, there's no growth, and if you're growing, it's dead. So I'll see you on my next upload.